evening.
Good evening
Good
po.
evening po.
First of all po, good evening, Sir John Jewel Enriquez. So we just want to say thank you for lending us your time for our short interview regarding our project. We have questions that we believe aligned with your type of profession. Are you ready to answer, sir?
Okay, sige. Sinend naman sa akin yung question eh. Kumbaga may sagot na rin
Yes.
ako. Okay.
Yes. Now we will start with the question of, can you tell us something about what you do in your profession?
Okay. Sige, sa basic information ko, ako graduate ako sa Bulacan Agricultural State College sa San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Graduate ako ng Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal
Mm.
Science. At nagtatrabaho ako ngayon as a supervisor sa isang piggery farm sa Pandi, Bulacan. Ah, kami nag-implement ng mga biosecurity dahil alam naman natin na may trend ng ASF sa mga swine or pigs ngayon, di ba? So,
Opo. Yeah.
yun lang ano ko, yun lang
Ah,
information ko about sa akin.
interesting.
Ah,
Bali, ito, isang question po ulit. What is something that you like about your profession?
mm, sa totoo lang kasi noong una hindi ko gusto yung course ko na agri eh. So,
Mm.
siguro sa naging bio ko na lang is naging interesting kasi siya kasi siguro naisip ko pagdating ng panahon baka maging in demand yung pagiging agriculture ng
Opo.
course kasi ngayon kasi parang hindi siya totally na-notice as kasi ano eh, parang kokonti pa lang yung mga nag-aaral ng agriculture. Marami din naman kaso parang ah yun lang yung bang siguro mas hanap-hanapin ng ano government o yung mga ganyan.
Mm.
Naging interest. Tsaka ano, personally, interest din ako kasi sa mga farm animals. Kaya animal science ako ngayon eh. Nag-aral ako animal
Ah,
science.
kaya po pala.
Ah,
Ayan. Interesting answer po. Now, we will then ask a more in-depth question po. So, ito po ang unang question namin. How can science education be improved to foster a deep understanding and interest in students from diverse backgrounds? Ayan.
okay. So, in order for them to comprehend science instruction efficiently,
Mm,
you should know your students, communicate with them consistently, and value and recognize each individual student, exercise cultural awareness, include the diversity in the classroom, and grant them flexibility and independence.
interesting
Uh,
answer po, sir. Mm.
uh,
Bali, yung pangalawang question naman po namin, what role do interactive and on-hands activities play in enhancing science education, and how can they be incorporated effectively into curricula?
mm,
Nga po.
there are several advantages to these exercises, including increased
Mm,
student retention and engagement as well as improved problem-solving abilities. Science experiments. Using hands-on science activities, instructors may effectively engage students and help them understand abstract scientific ideas. Yun lang.
interesting po. Yan. So are you ready for third question po?
Okay, sige.
Yan. So, for the third question, how can educators address the gender gap in STEM fields and encourage more young women to pursue careers in science?
Okay, spread the word that women and or girls are just as capable as boys. Provide girls with equal support and access to education. Raise public awareness among parents about how to support females' learning opportunities and positive messages about their skills in science, just as
Okay.
much as they can do for sons.
Interesting answer din po, sir, no? Next,
Ah,
for the next question po, sir, are you ready po for the next question?
mm, okay,
Sige.
sige.
In the era of digital learning, what role does technology play in transforming science education, and what are the potential benefits and challenges? Ayun.
Okay. Science and technology have had a huge impact on education. With its ability to provide academic services, learning resources, educational evaluation, and lesson content management, technology has completely changed the area of education. Using digital technologies in the classroom can have a number of advantages as well as drawbacks. For benefits, enhanced engagement. Digital tools can make learning more interactive and engaging, particularly for tech-savvy students. Personalized learning. They
Mm,
allow for individualized instruction and adaptive learning, catering to the unique needs of each student. Access to vast resources. The internet provides a wealth of educational resources for videos to articles, expanding the scope of learning. Real-world skills. Using digital tools helps students develop digital literacy and computer skills which are essential in the modern world. Immediate feedback. Digital assessments and quizzes provide instant feedback, helping students understand their mistakes and learn from them. Collaboration. Tools like Google Docs or online forums promote collaboration among students and regardless of physical location. Data analysis. Teachers can gather and analyze data on students' perform to tailor instruction more effectively. Cost efficiency. Digital tools can be cost effective in the long run, reducing the need for physical textbooks and materials. For the challenges naman, assess disparities. Not all students have equal access to digital devices and the internet, creating inequalities in learning opportunities. Tech issues. Technical problems like internet outage or malfunctioning devices can disrupt lessons. Distraction. Digital digital tools can be a source of distraction if not used appropriately by students. Teacher training. Educators may need training to effectively integrate digital tools into their teaching methods. Privacy and security. Concerns about data privacy and security can arise when using online platforms and cloud services. Quality control. The internet contains a mix of reliable and unreliable information, making it important to teach students how to evaluate sources. Over reliance on technology and over reliance on digital tools may lead to a lack of traditional skills like handwriting and critical thinking. So that's all for the question number 3.
Yun.
Sige, sige.
Interesting answer po for the question number 4, sir. Yun. There are a lot of benefits nga yung era natin ngayon, hindi katulad dati. And
Uh,
syempre, pag may benefits, marami ring mga challenges. So, ayun, for the last question po, sir, is, ayan, tananan. Yes. How can science education adapt to the changing needs of society, ensuring that students are equipped with the skills and knowledge required for future scientific advancement and challenges? In relation po sa question nyo, dun sa mga
mm,
ano ng question.
how can science education adapt to the changing needs of society?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Through the creation of STEM high schools, and increased accessibility for students from disadvantaged backgrounds, science education has assisted in bridging the gap in possibilities of high quality education and addressing concerns of social equality. So, may tanong lang ako.
Yes,
Pwede ba
sir.
ako
Ano
magtanong?
po? Sige po,
So,
sige po.
ang tanong ko yung ano, yung STEM. Yan ba yung STEM sa strand na ano or may ibang ano pa yan?
It STEM strand po, sir.
Okay, STEM strand.
Yes
So,
po.
kasi akala ko kasi ibang ano yun eh. Okay, sige. So yun lang. Yun yung last question, ano?
Yes po, sir. Bali, very clear naman po ang
Mm.
ang answer niyo po, and interested pa po
Mm.
kami mas malaman yung mga thoughts niyo. For the follow-up question, meron ka pa bang follow-up question, Leslie?
Ah,
Ah,
so
sige.
for the follow-up question, since yun nga, related sa, let's say, sa subject namin, which is yung sa STS, or ayun, yung ano nyo, ano yung masasabi mong na-contribute nyo regarding sa, like, let's say, agriculture and such. Yan.
Yung kumbaga as
Mm-mm.
agriculture, kung ano yung na-contribute namin sa society o sa sa ayun nga kumbaga sa buong
Mm-mm.
lipunan o
Oo.
yun
In
ba ibig
general.
sabihin? Yung as agriculture student, kung ano mapo-provide namin sa inyo o sa lahat ng tao, gano'n?
Oo. In general.
Okay. Siguro, nakakapag-provide, 'di ba, siyempre sa farming.
Mm.
Alam mo naman, farming, lahat tayo ng tao, lahat ng kinakain natin sa farming nakukuha, 'di ba? Agriculture, farm animals, crops, lahat 'yan, 'di ba?
Mm.
Kumbaga, yun ang nagiging provide namin eh. Kung may matuklasan kaming bagong variant ng ganitong halaman, ganitong palay,
Mm.
o i-ano namin sa mga farm diyan, sa mga farmers, i-share namin lahat.
Mm.
Kumbaga sa agriculture meron kaming tinatawag na extension eh, mga extensionist eh. Mga agriculturist din sila, kumbaga
Ah. Ano
pumupunta
'yun?
sila sa mga malalayong lugar, sa mga malilim na lugar na na mga farmer na nagbibigay ng advice, nagbibigay ng kung paano gagawin dito, kung paano
Hmm.
gagawin diyan. Mga gano'n lang yung mas yun lang naipo-provide nila, eh. Kumbaga hindi lang salita, eh,
Oo.
kung hindi kami puro salita na kumbaga, sige may bibigay kaming ganyan na try niyo ganyan,
Mm.
try niyo naman 'to, ganito, gano'n,
Mm.
eh. Kumbaga, parang ayaw namin magpabaya, kumbaga gano'n.
Mm. Gets. Okay. So, if let's say, mayong student na gustuhin tahakin yung career, yung like, yung expertise nyo, ano yung,
Mm.
ano yung sa pwede mong masabi sa kanila, and anong, like, let's say, words of wisdom mo sa kanila?
Kumbaga kung gusto nilang i-try ba yung profession namin o
Oo.
gusto, gano'n. Kung
Like, yeah.
kumbaga kung may student naman na gustong i-try, hindi naman masama mag-try, eh.
Mm.
Kumbaga kung curious ka, o sige try mo. Pero
Mm.
ako kasi personally, di ko talaga gusto yung profession ko, noon, eh.
Mm.
Kumbaga parang yung tanong mo nabu-view ko yung sarili ko, eh.
Oo, ayun.
Kumbaga, yung tanong mo na-view ko yung sarili ko dati, eh.
Mm.
Kasi meron kasing kakilala yung tatay ko na agriculture.
Mm.
Parang sinabi niya sa'kin, "Sige try mo kasi, maganda 'yan." Sabi niyang gano'n. So, tinry ko,
Mm.
sige try mo, sabihin natin 'pag nagustuhan mo ituloy mo, pero 'pag hindi, magbago ka ng profession, wala namang masama, kumbaga wala namang pumipigil, eh.
Mm.
Pero kung isipin mo 'pag naging agriculture ka, kumbaga makakatulong ka pa sa kapwa mo, eh. Kumbaga yung in terms of farming, eh,
Mm.
makakapagdadagdag ka pa sa mga environment. Hindi ka lang nakakatulong sa mga tao, sa environment din kung ikaw ay sa agriculture, gano'n, eh.
Mm.
Yun siguro mga naging view ko din, eh, nung
Mm.
time na nag-aaral ako ng first year college sa agriculture, eh.
Mm.
Gano'n.
Gets.
Mm.
So,
Hmm.
let's say somehow nakabalik ka sa past, would you still choose etong career and sa major na ano mo na pinili mo?
Malalim yung tanong mo, ah.
Mm.
Oo nga, no, siguro gugustuhin ko ulit.
Mm.
Di ko sure, kasi nung time na bago ako tumungtong ng college, may iba akong gusto ko talaga sa barko, eh.
Mm.
Siguro i-ano ko din, i-take ko din ulit kung babalik ako sa past, ganun yung meaning
Oo.
mo. Kasi siyempre ano, eh, ang sabi kasi sa akin ng tatay ko, eh, i-ano ko daw, i-try ko, di ba?
Mm.
So, siguro ganun ulit gagawin ko kung sa past. Sige, yan ulit kunin ko kasi parang isipin ko din 'pag nagbarko ako ano, eh, parang sa panahon ngayon ang hirap makasampay, gano'n.
Mm.
So, 'pag nag-agriculture ako, marami naman puwedeng mapasukan na work. Puwede ako
Mm.
mag-ibang bansa kung gugustuhin ko, eh,
Mm.
gano'n ba. So, siguro yung kukunin ko ulit pagka bumalik man ako sa past na yung meaning mo.
Oo.
Hmm,
And plus
okey.
nakatulong ka pa sa sa
Oo,
advancement ng ayun, ng mga
mm.
technology regarding sa agriculture. Mm.
Ah,
Any word of wisdom sa mga students or kahit sino pong balak din na sundan yung career na kinuha nyo?
word
Advice
of
niyo po
wisdom
para sa kanila.
sa pagkuha nung course ko na agriculture.
Up.
Okey. So, siguro sa mga baka may kakilala kayo na incoming ah, first year college, siguro try niyo sabihin niyo mag-try ng agriculture. Ah, wala na siguro paano ko ba maano yun, wala kasi ako sa word of wisdom, hindi ako sanay, eh.
Okay, di
Pero
ito na lang. Wait lang. Ano yung sa pwede mong masabi na tawag dito na
hmm,
pwede nilang i-expect regarding dun sa career na yan, which is yung sa
siguro
agriculture.
siguro wag siguro siyempre sa meron di ko naman nila lahat na ibang tao iniisip 'pag agriculture na ay magtatanim lang yan, yan puro dumi.
Mm.
Siyempre isipin niyo din yung maisip din nila kung yung bang kinakain natin lahat pinagpapaguran yan, eh. So, dapat bukod sa siguro pag-aralan natin kung paanong pinagtatrabahuhan yan, yung pagtatanim na yan. Kumbaga, di man tayo yung magkaroon ng benefits diyan. Siguro sa ibang naging sa mga farmer naman o gano'n. Mag-try kung wag isipin na madumi yan, eh. Gano'n, ako din iniisip ko din yan madumi, eh. Siyempre, kaso bubuhay ba tayo ng walang agriculture? 'Di
Mm.
ba, umpisa't sa pool, mga history niyan agriculture. Alam naman natin,
Mm.
gano'n. Kumbaga wag lang wag pandiriyan lang siguro, gano'n.
Mm.
Nakaka-disappoint naman kapag pandidiriyan mo yung agriculture, eh.
Gets.
Mm.
Okay, so regarding that, ayun lang naman yung mga questions. So, again, thank you for lending us your time for this interview. And I
Okey.
think ayun lang yung lahat ng sa questions. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir, for your time.
Okey, thank you. Thank you din.
Hello, this is our reflection regarding the interview with Sir John regarding with his profession. Hanjon?
Good evening. Ayan. The lesson I've been learned on the interview. To enhance science education, it's crucial to create an inclusive learning environment that accommodates diverse background. Because by doing this, we can foster a deeper understanding and interest in science among students, making the subject more relevant and inspiring for all. In addition, The interview emphasized that agriculture is essential to our daily living. This underscored the critical role of agriculture in meeting basic human needs and highlight its significance in sustaining our daily lives. And that's all for my reflection. Next.
Hello, good evening. For my reflection, I realize na mas malawak pa pala yung agriculture kumpara sa mga inaakala natin, no? Mas marami siyang importance, no? Sa bansa natin, lalo na related din siya sa STS. Then, ayun nga, may mga technologies din na involved. Hindi katulad dati na, na hindi gaano natutuan ng pansin yung, yung agriculture, no? And, syempre, since agriculture, malawak yung scope niya, and syempre, marami din siya natutulong na advantages sa ating bansa. Ayun yun.
Hello, good evening. For me naman, based on how Sir Jan answered the questions, nakita ko na maalam or he's really knowledgeable about his profession. And I like how he answered the question that how he contributed or ano yung benefits na naibibigay niya bilang isang agriculturist. Totoo nga naman na bilang isang farmer, malaki talaga yung napoprovide nilang tulong sa atin. Ganun rin sa question na if he will still choose his profession kung bumalik siya sa past, and doon makikita mo kung gaano siya ka-committed sa profession niya. For me, yun lang.
So, hi, good evening. So, for my reflections about the interview, I realized that exploring science education, I've learned the importance of recognizing and valuing diversity, embracing hands-on activities for better understanding, and acknowledging the need for equal support to address gender disparities. Technology, while transformative, demands on a mindful balance to avoid inequalities. And I see STEM initiatives as pathways to bridge education gaps and equipping me for future challenges and fostering a more inclusive learning environment. And that's my reflection. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening. So para sa akin naman is mahalagang mapagtuunan natin yung agriculture, mapagtuunan natin ng pansin at mas ipakita natin sa mga estudyante o sa mga bata na isa rin sa pinakamagandang kunin yung agriculture dahil malaking tulong to sa atin mga tao, and sana mabigyan ng suporta, lalo na't isa to sa pinakakailangan natin, and makapag-benefits din naman tayo dito. Ayun, yun lang. Salamat.
Hello, good evening. Regarding what Sir John stated in his answers and the insights that I've only understood and seen today because of that interview, it gave me the knowledge and understanding of a bigger picture where agriculture may seem boring to students, to individuals, and even maybe distant in today's society. But there are advantages and advancement that only they can see compared to us as a consumer, and uh, with that advancement they are really to be appreciated and to be focused on in today's generation. And with that, that made me appreciate their line of work more than ever. And with that, that will be our reflection regarding the interview. Thank you.